Today is Friday, the 5th day of flights at the DARPA Lift Challenge, and you guys will recognize this drone, the Spider. This is the one I decided to bring to the competition, but this one is the backup. I made a duplicate, which I have over here, and this is the one that is actually being flown in the challenge. We have a couple of improvements. I'll make a later video going into exactly what was changed, but the giant bus bars that were beneath are now converted to tinier power distribution boards on the top. Yeah, there's a lot of changes. These brackets are now SLS 3D printed, so they're a lot more rigid, much more reliable than the PET-G and some ASA brackets before, but this is way better. So we did 2 flights so far. We did one on Monday morning at 9 a.m. That one, we lifted 110 pounds and flew to the end of the competition lane, and we had a battery issue, but I'll go into that in a later video. So that happened, and then we also did another flight on Wednesday, and that time we got very close to completing the 4 nautical miles, not quite with the required minimum of 110 pounds, but we did it with 55 pounds. We reached 3.84 nautical miles and just barely ran out of power. And the issue with that was we had a 20% yaw mismatch or misalignment. I'll put some text in there what it was called because I can't remember. But so today we're going to fly one more time in a couple of hours, and we'll fly this same aircraft. We're going to go ahead and knock out that 4 miles plus the 1 unloaded. We'll just do it with 30 pounds just so we can have the bragging rights that we actually completed the challenge, even though it wasn't with the full weight. And then we'll also do a one more flight with some smaller batteries to maximize our ratio. And we'll see how that goes. Yeah.